2007 Infiniti QX56 luxury SUV with the custom grille, running boards, tinted windows, alloy wheels, trailer hitch package, rear bumper protector, power liftgate, window glass also opens, third row seating, nice black leather interior. DVD rear entertainment package. Heated seats in the first and second row. Auto up down mirror windows on all of them. Power folding mirrors. Driver memory seat. Power adjustments. Adjustable pedals. Rear backup sensors. Auto leveling fog lights. Power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Carpeted floor mats. Nice wood grain trim. Four-wheel drive. Premium Bose audio system. Navigation. Steering wheel controls, cruise control, auto headlights. There's a lot to take in. This thing's got all the bells and whistles. Oh, and a sunroof. Come by and see us at U Cars.